Hi Ryan, long time no see. I am Vicky from Livers LED. Today I want to share some information with you about the sample we are prepared well for you. You look, here is the feature body. We will be send you because this feature body is very special. It's Z size, so that can be working for table lamp and many different places. And on the table have the many different parts. Will be one set together. So when you see our packing, you will see everything. And because this is your first time to get the sample from about our DIY product, so I want to share with you how we can be do it detailed so that how can be let you understand more. Here is the first part, all is the metal, and let me show you how to do. You see, Ryan? Here is metal. When we are open it, and we will look like this. When we want to put this part to the feature, we should be put here, like this way, and that will be okay. Now let me show you in our feature. Put this part on the top first, and then another part. Connect it together. Looks, this one already finished. So I will be give you 4 for this design, so that one set is the same design together. Okay, look, Ryan. Here is first design we already finished well, and I will be give you another solution. Is this socket. This socket will be same way, actually, it's also same way to do. Put it and then turn. Let me show you now. For example, I take it out this one, and then put this one. Done, right? But this one is a LED chip. Inside, we will match the glass. For example, maybe this one. Done. So you can be, I will be give you another more glass. You can be change this glass in any case you want to do the different design for your customer. And this 2 is our solution 1 and 2. Now I show you is another solution 3. This one. Ryan, when you get this one, is our handmade sample. This is a spool. Put it here, like this way to do it. Maybe you can see some detail is not really perfect because this handmade mold first time. When we do the messing order about this new solution, we will upgrade the detailed information. Now let me show you. Ryan, you see, this one is for up, right? Okay. So I will be offer you 2 parts for each one with the glass, so that you can be do the different design up and down like that. And also I will be give you 4 glass is this one, so you can be one part use same glass to do the different design by yourself. This some sample just for you, show to your customer easy. We have the many new sample and different color in our catalog. So please let me know which one you want, then we will be follow up for you. Thank you.